Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a highly pigmented matte lipstick for consistent color. Pick red for correcting green, peach for blue, or green to neutralize redness. Once chosen, sanitize your spatula and jar. Hygiene matters. Use rubbing alcohol to clean or a carrier oil if you want a creamier base, and scrape a pea-sized amount into the jar. Make sure to work at room temperature so the lipstick softens evenly and mixes smoothly when you combine it with the base. Now you dissolve the scraped lipstick into a small measured amount of carrier oil or alcohol. You add in tiny increments, only a drop or two, so you can gauge saturation. Mixing slowly prevents overshooting the hue. Once the pigment is suspended, test a tiny amount on your wrist to see how it neutralizes the target discoloration. If it's too sheer, add more scraped pigment. If it's too intense, dilute with more oil or a neutral cream until you hit a balanced, blendable texture. Finish by transferring the corrected mix into a small airtight jar or an empty concealer tube so you can apply cleanly. Label the shade and date, then store it in a cool, dark place to preserve texture and color. For application, pat sparingly and blend outward. Build coverage rather than slathering. If the mix looks patchy or separates, stir in a tiny bit more binder, like cream or oil, or use a damp sponge to press and blend, which evens out pigment and prevents streaking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.